This is an industrial powerline Ethernet bridge, specially designed for warehouse logistics, especially for stacker cranes. We utilize the stacker crane existing power track to deliver high-speed data transmission. It eliminates the need of adding extra network cables, and it's more stable and reliable than Wi-Fi. This delivers a bandwidth of 500 megabits per second and at a distance up to 500 meters. Even with continuous crane movements, the communication remains stable and responsive, enabling real-time control and automation without any interruption. With Wondertek, we have 17 years of experience. We provide OEM and ODM services to answer all your industrial needs.